The page break preview is another approach to get started printing. We can get this here, page break preview. We can click, we'll see the page, this page breaks. This page is 1 and this is page 31. The document is cut and this will be part printing. We can make some adjustments here. Let's go to page layout and increase the margins. Let's use this normal. Now it's became 29. So let's use narrow margins. We can also decrease the column size. Select all and drag it a little bit to the left. And now it looks better. Now we can drag also the page break to include the whole page. Can drag it to the right. Now it's become one page. Let's see now the print preview to see our changes and modification. Now it's become 21 pages. It's greatly reduced. We can print the active sheet or print selection or the entire book. We can also select the page we want from the documents. Let's say we can print from page 2 to page 4 as we wish to do. But before printing, we have to make the view 100%. We can use this slider to make it 100%. So we will work on page layout controls in the next lectures.